Good morning and welcome. Happy 2018. Happy New Year. It's the 2nd of January, and all the charts this morning basically are showing the weakness in the US dollar. So this has got a little bit tight at the moment, so I'm just going to move it slightly over. I want that to go up and basically break back down at a nice steep angle. So that's the AUD Australian dollar. We'll see what. We have a commercials long ratio of 1.48 to 1. So that is a long ratio, whereas we used to have a short ratio. I'm waiting for it to turn round. So we'll see where that goes. Pound to US dollar. Again, we've had a really nice upturn in the value of this pair. It's just an opportunity to sell it back down. We have a commercial short ratio of 1.29 to 1 for the pound against the US dollar. It's risen itself off the 50 line on the RSI, slightly gone up. So we're waiting for that to actually break back down to sell it short. Exactly the same on the euro. You could put a trend line up here if you wanted, wait for it to turn back down. We've got up to another resistance line slightly above the 69.1, and I'm waiting for a turn back down. Now, USD, Swiss franc. Well, we've seen quite a lot of strength in the Swiss franc and also weakness on the pound. We have a commercials long ratio quite greatly reduced from last week of 3.3 to 1, and I think this might slow up a little bit now, so we'll see where it goes to, but I much prefer this on the crosses. The US dollar, Japanese yen, again we've seen weakness in the dollar, maybe just a tad of strength in the Japanese yen. We have a commercials ratio of 4.97 to 1 long. So I am expecting this to continue through, because that is actually a little bit better than last week. We've come down nice and sharp down through the 50 on the RSI. Hopefully it's going to follow on through. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. We've seen a rise in the value of the New Zealand dollar. We've gone up nicely off the bottom of the RSI. We're up now around the 69.1 mark, and it does seem like it's struggling a little bit at this level. We've got good resistance just above at 71.8, so we'll see where that goes to. Silver, again, we're getting more strength. Weakness on the dollar, the silver price goes up. You'll see the same with platinum. I could do with just moving this maybe over a little bit. We'll see how far that goes anyway. Quite a lot of strength coming through. I'm expecting it to turn back down. The commitment of traders were quite bearish for silver. And then you've got the DXY, which is the dollar position. I did put a small position in here. I cannot believe how incredibly small it was. That went with me a little bit, as this has fallen off very nicely. We've come on down. We're below the 30.9 now. So what I want is it to steeply cut back up. So we'll see how that goes later on in the week. Well, thank you all for watching. It's been quite a disruptive Christmas period. Thrown me out a little bit. But anyway, Happy New Year to you all, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers. Bye now.